Hello, first graders, and happy Monday. Our target skill for today is I can ask and write questions using question words. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to ask ourselves a question. What do we need to write a question? When we say the word question, I want you to shrug your shoulders like this, because a question is a sentence that asks something. A question requires an answer. Look at our question below. What did you eat for lunch? Is this sentence asking something? Yes, this sentence needs an answer. Let's look closely at this question. Do you see anything that makes this sentence a question? A few things that questions need are capital letters at the beginning. Just like any other sentence, a question begins with a capital letter. A question ends with a question mark. This tells us that this sentence needs an answer. And you will also see question words. In this sentence, what is our question word? What is our question word? Very nice, first graders. There are some other question words that you may see today. Who? Who is that person? This question word is asking for a person or an animal. What? What is in the present? This question word is asking for a thing. When? When does it start? This question word is asking for a time. Where? Where is he? This question word is asking for a place. Why? Why is the sky blue? This question word is asking for a reason. And how? How old are you? This question word is asking for an answer. All right, boys and girls, today you will see these three question words in your job. What, where, and when. What, where, and when. These are not the only question words that you will see as you read this week, but today you are going to read the question and put it in the pocket with the word that makes sense. For example, this first one says, is your name? Let's try it out. What is your name? Where is your name? When is your name? Which question word makes sense? What is the question word that makes sense? So you can put this in the what pocket in your interactive notebook. Have a great day, first graders. I'll see you next time.